We come up every 2 or 3 weeks.
The Port Orchard waterfront is a draw for people coming from out of town.
He loves it.
Many people want to see the trail extended.
I see people in wheelchairs and disabled folks that, having this kind of a walk along the shore is really helpful.
The city says they've been working on extending the trail for years and just started a new phase.
Currently, we are in the phase of demolition.
The city acquired 5 overwater properties over the past decade or so and will tear them down over the next 2 months to make way for the extended trail that will connect the 2-foot ferry terminals.
It's great for commuters. It offers a multimodal transportation opportunity where people aren't necessarily using cars. You have the opportunity to walk, bike, jog.
Construction to extend the trail to Mitchell Point will start in the summer of 2027, but the timeline of the additional phase to the Annapolis Ferry Terminal is unknown.
There's still some variables. We're working through some design issues, and then we have additional right-of-way that we would have to obtain.
If this goes in the way they design it, we're going to lose our business. It's not going to be able to survive that.
Whiskey Gulch sits right next to the Annapolis Ferry Terminal. One of the owners says the trail is set to go right in front of the restaurant.
A lot of people will look at it and say, well, they're just losing a little bit of parking. Well, that may be true, but that impacts everything else. You can't get delivery trucks in here anymore. There's no center lane for a truck to park. They can't get into our side lots. ADA access becomes an issue.
He doesn't think the project has respected property rights, but is glad the city is removing the homes he says are in disrepair.
They bought those houses and they do need to take care of those.
He says he would love to see a walking trail, but not the one planned for.
Do I want to see nice things like that? Yes. Do I want to see it at the detriment of what we're doing here? Well, of course not. So, obviously we'd rather see it redesigned or stopped. It's not going to work for us here in the manner in which it's proposed.
We do want to be good partners with all of our businesses, and we want to be communicative, and we'll look for opportunities where we can emphasize that.
In Port Orchard, Connor Board, King 5 News.